Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience using this service. In this video, we're taking a look at SimpleTax, found at gosimpleTax.com. This online tool aims to simplify the often dreaded process of self-assessment tax returns in the UK. Navigating the complexities of tax regulations can be daunting, but SimpleTax offers a user-friendly platform designed to make the experience more manageable. Their website boasts features like real-time tax calculations, allowing you to see how your income and expenses impact your overall tax liability. This provides a valuable level of transparency and helps users understand their tax obligations more clearly. Additionally, SimpleTax offers guidance and support to help you accurately complete your return, minimizing the risk of errors and potential penalties. The platform also facilitates seamless integration with HMRC, the UK's tax authority, for direct submission of your completed return. SimpleTax appears to be a promising tool for individuals and small business owners seeking a streamlined and efficient way to manage their self-assessment tax returns. Further investigation into their pricing plans and specific features would be beneficial for anyone considering utilizing their services. One of the key selling points emphasized on the website is the ability to categorize expenses easily, ensuring that all eligible deductions are accounted for and maximizing your tax savings. This can be particularly helpful for those less familiar with allowable expenses under UK tax law. While the website provides a good overview of SimpleTax, exploring user reviews and testimonials will provide a more comprehensive understanding of its effectiveness and user-friendliness in practice. This will help potential users make informed decisions about whether SimpleTax is the right fit for their individual needs and circumstances. They also offer support services for handling tricky tax situations, which can be very reassuring for those new to self-assessment. It's definitely worth looking into further if you're in the UK and need an easier way to file your taxes.